Find or read reviews that people are talking about VTOMAN VL7 6000A jump starter upgraded with lithium iron phosphate battery. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. VTOMAN VL7 lithium iron phosphate battery jump box delivers 5000 plus full charge cycles while maintaining over 80% of its original capacity. This represents a lifespan up to 5 times longer than lead-acid battery and 4 times longer than standard lithium-ion battery car jump starter, ensuring stable operation over an extended lifespan. VTOMAN VL7 car jump starter delivers a powerful peak current of 6000 A. A single full charge provides up to 65 jump starts. It can safely start all gas engines and 10L diesel engines in just seconds, including 12V cars, SUVs, motorcycles, pickups, RVs, tractors, trucks, vans, ATVs, snowmobiles, yachts, and more. A boost function is also available for easy starting even with a completely depleted battery. The VL7 jump starter can be used as a 12V portable car battery jump starter. LED flashlight and 24,000 mAh car battery jump starter quickly charging with USB-A and Type-C PD 30W max output for phones, tablets, cameras, smartwatches, game console. The 120W DC output can charge for car refrigerator, tire inflators, camping light, inverters, and more. The car battery charger jump starter is equipped with 4 modes of LED light: strong light, normal, strobe and SOS. Turn on the switch and press it for 2 seconds to turn on the LED light function. Each time you press the button, you can switch the light mode. The ultra-bright light can help you start your car more conveniently at night, and the strobe and SOS modes can act as a lifeguard in emergency situations. VTOMAN VL7 jump starter prioritizes safety and ease of use. It offers comprehensive protection features, including protection against sparks, reverse charging, overcurrent, overcharging, reverse polarity, high temperature, low temperature, short circuit, overvoltage, and overload. This battery jump starter is designed for harsh weather conditions and offers enhanced compatibility, with an operating temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. With an overall size of 8.66 x 5.67 x 1.81 inches and an item weight of 4.1 pounds, it is very easy to store in a car or a travel bag. Compared with bulky lead-acid jump starters, this compact lithium iron phosphate battery jump starter brings more convenience and peace of mind to your trip. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.